Hi everyone! Today's day 10. I'm April Davis with April Davis Creations, and I'm so excited that you're continuing to follow me on this 12 Days of Crafting series. Each day we are opening up one of the doors in the Crafting Advent Calendar that is partnered with this 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar bundle, and I call it a bundle now because you've got your stamps, and then there are also dies, and these dies I've already shared with you because they were behind doors that we've already opened. So today we're ready to open day 10. And so I'm going to move this over, and day 10 is this little bitty door down here. So let's go ahead and open it up. And you have a package of you can use them as embellishments. I'm going to actually, the first thing that pops into my mind when I look at these, and they're so pretty, is items for a shaker card. So I have to show you what's in here. And remember, I like to use little containers. I just save containers that I've had previously. And then that way I can put my little items in these containers, and it just makes it more accessible for me. You can certainly keep your surprises behind the doors in the packaging that it comes in. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to dump this out, and I'm going to dump all of it out in a minute. But what I want to do is I want to kind of be able to show you some of the things that you got. Let me bring this in, and I'm just going to kind of show you. This is an acrylic heart. I'm trying to turn it over so you can get a better look at it. So we'll do this. This is the heart. Come on, little heart, turn around. Okay, so we've got a heart, and we've got these little flowers, and I'll bring it up close for you guys to see in just a second. I've got, let me see what else we've got in here. We've got like little pink. Oh, here's a pink bow. How fun is that? Here's another little bow. Let me see what else we've got. We've got sequins in here. They're pink sequins, white sequins, clear sequins. We've got little stars in here. Let me see if I can spread some of these out so you guys can see. So fun and so pretty. All right, I'm going to bring these up so you guys can see a little bit. Whoops, that one's trying to get away. That one is a bead. It's like a clear bead. But look how pretty these are. See the bows and the heart and the little flowers, and you can see the little stars there. Just so fun, so pretty. And when it's in the little bag or in my little container, they just shimmer and shine. Look at that. So fun. All right, let's go ahead, and I'm gonna get this dumped just so that I don't get everything messed up. And I'll get it stabilized so that I can put my lid on it. I'm gonna grab this other stuff, and we'll do this after the next when the video's done. I'm not gonna have you guys spend all your time watching me do that, but how fun is that? Okay, so what did I do with these? What kind of card did I create? Well, as you can imagine, it is a shaker card. How fun. Okay, so I used the designer series paper that came. I did happen to cut my circle through the stylish shape dies, but I did stamp for someone extra special here. And then look, I used the gold embellishments that we had. I used the ephemera that we had on the last one. And then I created, there's designer series paper back behind there as well, but I created a shaker card. So fun. If you like this shaker card and you are interested in the tutorial that I have created for every single day, one project for each day, so there's 12 projects. If you're interested in the tutorial and you don't have the Advent calendar, if you purchase it through my store, then I will send you the tutorial absolutely free. Has all 12 projects that I'm showing you. If you already have the Advent calendar, you're more than welcome to go to my online store, aprildaviscreations.com, at my website, and I have a PDF store, and you can download the tutorial from my PDF store. So again, this is one of my very favorites. So pretty. This is day number 10. I'll be back tomorrow for day number 11.